This video shows you how to replace the desiccant cartridge for the EAC 2.1. Please carry out the work in an appropriate, clean environment. Unscrew the cartridge with a 30mm socket wrench. There are also versions with a left-hand thread. After loosening the cartridge, unscrew it by hand. Remove the O-ring. Using a lint-free cloth, clean the inside of the EAC 2.1. Do not use compressed air for cleaning. Insert the O-ring into the cartridge neck, as shown. Lightly grease the sealing surface and O-ring. Tighten the desiccant cartridge by hand until the seal fits closely. Tighten the desiccant cartridge by a further quarter rotation.